Hello, Blue Harbor. Good morning.
Good morning.
How much is it?
It's $2.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm happy. I like this beach. My bag is open. Why is my bag open? My passport. Where is my passport? Where is my passport? Look! Look at the cat! That cat has my passport! Stop! Stop, cat! Come back! Stop! Stop, cat! Come back! Good morning! The cat! Where is the cat? Run! Run! Where is the cat? Where is the cat? There!
My boat! Look at my boat!
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Leo. I'm sorry about your boat. I'm very sorry.
I'm Bella. Where are you from, Leo?
I'm from Northport.
Where are you here, Leo?
My passport! A cat has my passport.
A cat.
Yes, a cat.
That cat?
That cat! No! Stop! Come back!
Where is the cat?
There. Look! The cat is on the boat!
I know that boat. That is my grandmother's boat.
Your grandmother?
Come with me.
Left! Okay! Left!
Now right! Right!
Hello, Mango. What's this?
This is my passport.
This is your passport?
Yes, my passport.
Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, you go home tomorrow?
I'm sad.
Are you okay?
I don't want to go. I want to stay.
Stay. My boat needs paint.